In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a landing page to your Wix website. We'll start inside your Wix dashboard. Open the site you want to enhance and click Edit Site. This takes you into the Wix editor, where you'll make all the changes you need. If you've never used the editor before, don't worry. Everything is visual and drag and drop, so you can see your updates as you make them. Next, let's create the landing page. On the left side of the editor, click the Pages icon. It looks like a small 3-line menu, usually near the top. Choose Add Page, then select Landing Page. You'll see a gallery of professionally designed templates. Browse through them and pick one that matches your goal, whether that's collecting leads, promoting an event, or highlighting a special offer. Click Add and give Wix a moment to create the page and place it into your site's menu. Now let's customize it. In the Pages panel, click your new landing page to open it. For fast, consistent styling, use Quick Edit in the top left to adjust the background, fonts, and colors so everything aligns with your brand. Click any text block to rewrite the headline, subheadings, and body copy. Keep your headline clear and benefit-driven so visitors know exactly what they'll get. Replace images or videos with your own assets by clicking them and choosing Change Media. If your template includes a form or another call to action element, tailor the fields and button text to match your goal. Short, focused forms typically convert better. If you need more content, click Add, then Elements, and choose what you want: text, images, buttons, forms, and more. Arrange elements by dragging them into place, and use alignment guides to keep everything neat and readable. If you plan to accept payments directly from the landing page, open payments in the editor and connect options like PayPal or other available buttons. Make sure your button labels are clear and lead to a smooth checkout. If you want this landing page to be the first thing visitors see, set it as your homepage. Go to Pages and Menu, find your landing page, click the 3 dots next to it, and choose Set as Homepage. You can always change this back later. When you're happy with everything, click Publish in the top right corner, confirm, and select Done. If you set it as your homepage, visitors will land on it immediately. Otherwise, keep it as a separate page and link to it from your menu, buttons, or social media. That's it. Your Wix site now has a focused conversion